How to access your email account from DirectAdmin. In this tutorial, you'll learn 2 ways to access your email account from DirectAdmin. Let's start. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click this email account's icon. It displays the list of email accounts here. Click the Sign In to Webmail icon of the particular email account you wish to access. From here, you can use your email account. Now let's go back to the main page of DirectAdmin and learn the second method to access email accounts. Scroll down to the Extra Features section and click Webmail round cube icon. Unlike the first method, we can only access our default DirectAdmin email account from here. Now enter the username and password of your default email account and click Login button. That's it. You now know how to access your email account. Thank you for watching.